Good afternoon on this June 17th. And we're in the fig greenhouse again today. And we got some main crop figs ripening. This is really our first main crop fig where the tree started here in the greenhouse in the spring. I had some main crops of barren earlier, and that tree was started fruiting in the house. These here were started in the greenhouse, and I've let them hang. You can see they are to be real ripe. This variety is michuranska 10. Woo! Just a little soft spot there. I don't think that's nothing, but woo! Look how soft them are. See how I don't know how much detail you can see in them figs, but kind of starting to dry on the tree. The neck's real soft. Let's go cut these open here. And before we go look, but let me show you what's in here. Got more starting to swell. And come on around over there. This tree really puts a lot of fruit on, and they will always be the earliest. I got a couple that I have hopes for that one day when the trees get more mature that they'll ripen along the same time, but we'll talk about that when it happens. So let's go cut this michuranska 10 open and see what these main crops look and taste like. Ooh, is that nuggets? No honey. No honey. All right, let's go check them out. All right, we got them in the house. Let's cut them open and look at them. Before we do, we'll get another. I got to set this one back here out of the way. See what it looks like. Wow. I don't think it gets much riper than that. Michuranska 10. Let's see what the other one looks like. Man, one thing's for sure, I'd say they're ripe. And that's where you want them. That nerve's even got I don't know if you can pick it up. I can see it from here though. Right in the very middle, it's got a little pink. I'm not sure if if it can pick it up. We'll zoom in here and see. If I tilt it back, it'll show. Yeah. That's a good ripe fig right there. Hey, and you know usually what the best fig is? It's the ripest fig. So we're going to have a little taste. Interesting. Got a kind of a floral, figgy, honey flavor. You taste anything else? Kind of like a fig Newton, ain't it? Yeah, kind of like a fig Newton. So, main crop, michuranska 10. It's a good early fig. Try it out. Thanks for watching.